Tuesday, February 27th, 2024. Saint Gregory of Narek. Focus. Give ear to the teaching of our God. Isaiah sets out clearly what God requires. Seek justice, correct oppression. If we want clean hearts and souls, we need to remove such evils from His sight. Are we fair to people, or do we unwittingly practice injustice and oppression? For example, do we bargain for a fair price with a poor person in desperate need? Are the wages we pay to our domestic help just? Do we oppress those beneath us with demands or threats? Beyond the personal level, we daily hear news of injustice and oppression inflicted by the powerful on the vulnerable. We are well aware of the terrible events in Manipur and other parts of our country. Do we simply skim through these reports in the papers or watch idly on TV, relieved that we are not affected? Or do we seek to reach out to the suffering people, or at least support the efforts of the brave ones who venture to fight their cause? This year is the exposition of the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, whose evangelization is largely responsible for our faith. We too can be evangelizers by being crusaders of compassion and justice. Do we try and convince ourselves that the teaching of our God is complied with by frequent church going? Let us stop deceiving ourselves. Fruit. This Lent, I will do a daily examination of conscience and rectify my relationships with others.